Hi everyone, today we will explain the SC/ST Act in India. We will cover what it is, when it applies, punishment, bail rules, misuse, and defense. We will keep it very simple. The SC/ST Act is a special law in India. Its long name is the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. This law protects people from the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It stops humiliation, discrimination, violence, and other caste based atrocities. Even after India's constitution came into force in 1950, SC and ST communities still face discrimination and violence. Regular laws were not enough to stop it. So Parliament made this act in 1989. The goal is to prevent caste-based cruelty and help victims. This law protects members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. These are historically disadvantaged groups in India. People not belonging to these groups can be punished if they commit atrocities against SC or ST members, base cruelty, and help victims. The Act lists many kinds of offences. Examples include insulting an SC/ST person, assault, forceful eviction, and social boycott. It also covers economic exploitation and denying access to public places. These are called atrocities under the Act. Punishment under this law varies. If someone is found guilty, they can get jail time, fines, or both. Punishment may range from 6 months in jail up to life imprisonment, depending on the offense committed. This makes the law strong to discourage caste crimes. To help fast justice, the law allows special courts for SC/ST cases. These courts hear SC/ST Act cases quickly. They help reduce delay in trials. Special courts are part of the Act's design. Cases under the SC/ST Act are treated as serious offences. Normally, accused people cannot get anticipatory bail easily. Anticipatory bail means bail before arrest. Section 18 of the Act says that anticipatory bail is generally not allowed if a prima facie case is made out. This means a court won't grant pre-arrest bail unless it clearly looks like no offence was committed. The Act also covers neglect by public servants. If a government official refuses to register an SC/ST complaint, ignores duties, or fails to inspect properly, they can be punished. This helps make sure authorities act fairly. When an atrocity happens, a FIR is filed at the police station. The police must register the complaint and investigate. If the police find evidence, charges are filed in special court. Then trial begins in that court. If a person is accused under the SC/ST Act, they should get a good lawyer. A lawyer checks the facts and evidence. They can argue that the allegations are not correct or that the evidence is weak. Sometimes a preliminary inquiry may be needed before registering a case to make sure it is genuine. Like many strong laws, the SC/ST Act can also be misused. Some people file false complaints for revenge or personal disputes. There have been cases where courts fined or punished people who filed false FIRs under this law. Courts don't accept misuse. In some cases, people who filed false SC/ST complaints were sentenced to jail. Courts have ordered refunds of compensation and fines for false or fabricated cases. This shows misuse is taken seriously. The SC/ST Act aims to protect vulnerable groups, but it must also be used fairly and justly. Courts are clear that the law should help victims, not be used to harass innocent people. Legal systems try to balance protection with fairness. Let's recap what we learned. SC/ST Act protects scheduled castes and tribes. It lists many caste-based crimes. Punishment can be jail or fine. Special courts hear cases. Anticipatory bail is usually not granted. Ensure IAS, best IAS coaching in Delhi. Misuse can lead to punishment. Thanks for watching. If you want more easy law videos like this, let us know. We explain legal topics in simple words.